There were two girls who saw a poster in their school in which there was a Halloween contest in their school, and they were so excited. The girl said, "I don't have money." So another girl said that you don't need money. You just make a dress like me. I also make dress with trash. So she said, "Okay, I will try." And then the another girl came in front of them, and then she go near to the dustbin to throw her trash, and then the girl came to her, and then she said, "I want your trash bag, so please could you give me?" And then she said, "No, I don't give you. Why you need trash bag?" And then she said, "I want to make costume for tonight costume party contest." And then she said, "You make dress with my trash, and you think that you will win this contest?" And then she said, "I will try. My father say that it isn't about what how much you have, it's about what you make out of what you have." And then she said, "Okay, it's your mind." And then she throw the trash, and you picked up. And then the girl picked the trash bag from the dustbin, and then they both were gone. After that, the girl who want to make her dress with the trash stand in front of the shop. And then a girl who spent lots of money, who want to spend lots of money on her costume, came to her. And then she said, "Well, how much you will spend on your dress?" And then she said, "Well, my family is very poor, so I just offered a pack of balloon for my costume, so I just spent only $1 on my dress." And then she laughed on her, and then she said, "Look, my father bought a new dress for me for tonight costume contest." And then she sold, and it cost around 200 or $300. And then she showed her dress to, and then she showed her dress to her. And then they both were gone. After that, the contest was start, and after some time, the teacher announced the result, in which she said that the girl who made her dress with the trash, she won the contest, and all the student clapped for her. But the girl who spent lots of money on her dress feel jealous. And then she said, like, how she win this challenge, how she win this contest. Like, I spent $200 on my dress, and she made her dress with trash, and how she win this contest? And then teacher say, "But how you made this dress with trash?" And then the girl who won the challenge, who won the contest, she said that, my father and my parents was very poor. My parents were very poor, and I do lots of creativity in all the things, so that's why I made this dress with the trash. And the last line, she said that my father will say that, my father said that, it isn't about how much you have, it's about what you make out of what you have.